Jih Huang Machine Industrial Company Limited, established in Yongkong District, Tainan, Taiwan, 1979. With more than 3 decades of experiences in plastic machine-built industries, we have dedicated outstanding engineering team and innovate of multi-layer and all-electric driven blow molding machine, co-exploding molding machinery built under JHB brand. JHB introduced the first machine with full electric technology with an all-electric motion control system that was very innovative compared to the old hydraulic technology in 2002. With continuous improvement, a new generation servo motor-driven clamping system, EBMC series, launched to the market in 2009. The core center is the patented clamping unit with a toggle system, which ensures a precise and symmetrical transmission of clamping force, high parallelism of the clamping plates, and the best possible article molding. With high clamping forces that are available quickly, it gives our customers flexible equipment for future use. Our all-electric blowing molding machinery is built to satisfy customer requirement. Article from 5 milliliter up to 30 liters capacity end product. All-electric with multi-layer co-extrusion blow molding machine is our core technology. JHB's plastic containers or jerry cans manufacturing machines are used for liquid food preparations containing aseptic products such as milk, fruit juice, tomato sauce, and sports drinks, as well as pasteurized products like yogurt. For industrial packaging applications in the production of lubricants, agrochemicals, hazardous goods, household products, and personal hygiene and care items containers. Our in-house laboratory allows us to control a variety of parameters and make rapid product improvements. Commonly applied checks include the following tests: dimensional measurement, layers distribution, thickness measurement, and drop test. The barrier materials used in co-extrusion exhibit outstanding barrier properties against oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, UV radiation, flavorings, and toxic substances. Manufacturers of packaging for perishable contents use this technology to extend the shelf life of milk-based and fruit juice-based beverages. We develop, construct, produce, and install the core components by ourselves. This means that we, along with the blow molding machine, have a direct influence on the real logical layout and production quality of these components. Our new spiral mandrel extrusion heads provide short, non-invasive, and uniform flow paths with a consistent melt and temperature homogeneity. The decisive advantage is the uniform distribution of wall thicknesses over the full circumference of the container, resulting in improved quality at the same time as lower weight. Another advantage of the spiral mandrel extrusion heads are the shorter times needed for changing materials and colors. The startup time for production is decreased by the reduced time and effort needed for setup and adjustment, thereby reducing the material required for this. The treatment of electroless nickel coating improves the smoothness of the polymer on the metal, reducing the adherence effect and facilitating a fast color change. The benefits that are obtained from executing the treatment are reduction of the time needed to carry out the color change, reduction of the adhesion of plastic material to metal surfaces, and consequently of cleaning interventions. The industrial remote access connects you to machines and equipment to view and control interfaces, troubleshoot equipment, and install updates. With remote access, your machines are accessible from anywhere in the world, and you can remotely perform corrective maintenance without costly, time-consuming on-site visits. allow technician to set, reset, and operate the machine through this interface control system. Saving energy in the blow molding of plastics is key to great performance and leads to cost-effective policies which benefit the company in every aspect. The majority of energy costs related to plastic production are determined by the types of blowing molding machines currently in use. For this reason, it is important to evaluate the best technology available, choosing the solution that guarantees top quality and feasibility. JHB all-electric co-extrusion blow molding machinery is to provide you a choice easy to achieve energy-saving goal.